there guys, been saying this for about three videos in a row at this point, but legitimately today I hope to have a new bottom dash rail repair piece installed in there. I mean it this time, okay, I mean it. Follow on from the end of last video, I have a new fan heater. I obtained that for a £5 from Facebook Marketplace actually. It's my first purchase from there. And it's awesome. It's way hotter than that one ever was. And yes, that's still dead. So yeah, that's the end of the road for that one. So yeah, that kicks out a lot of heat. Even like back here, that is starting to burn. So yeah, it's nice. So yeah, let's crack on with finishing off making our template for this and actually get it welded in. So yeah, let's get on with that. Okay, so I've got my new panel made up. It's still wet, so I can't pick it up and show you very much, but that will fit in here just nicely. I think the next thing we'll do, I'll clean this up, and then I don't know whether to put this piece that I just made up, that I just showed you in yet or not, because as Sean said to me on Facebook the other day, yesterday I think it was, it might not end up being the right shape for the inner wing, so I don't know whether to put the inner wing in first or not. It's not going to be very easy either. Well, if to put it in after the inner wing, it's definitely not going to be easy. So to be able to weld up into here, but yeah, I mean, I could just try and offer up the inner wing first and see how it and see, yeah, like bolt the inner wing up sort of thing, and then hold that in place from the inside and see if it fits well, and if it does, then take the inner wing back off and weld that in first, sort of thing. So yeah, I think the next thing I might actually try and do is this here is like you can see the top there, it's just non-existent. It's rotting away, and it's like tin foil just around the top here. So I think I might have to just cut a little bit down there, across the bottom, and just put a new little piece in there, because it's so it's not. You can't even see. Let me get the torch. Yeah, it's not great, isn't that? There you go, you can see it from this side. It looks thinner from this side than it does the other side, actually. And also, it's going to need the same treatment, just like here as well. And a few other little bits a little further along, but we'll deal with that once the once the scuttle's off and everything. We'll see what needs to be done there. But yeah, so that's kind of where we're at, really. So yeah, we'll clean that up on here anyway, and then maybe cut that out and put a new bit in there, and yeah, see what else we'll do. I have plenty of wire wheeling to do on the bulkhead, just like surface rust and stuff we need to get rid of, so we can get on with that as well. But yeah, I need to stop getting sidetracked by doing other stuff. I need to focus on one thing at a time. I want to get this inner wing done. That'd be nice. Although it will be easy to get in here without the inner wing on, to get in there with a wire wheel and everything. So, yeah, we might do that first. So, yeah. Also, I need to still clean up the plate that the shock mounts bolt to, and weld that back on. That middle hole there, it just needs a plug weld. And also the triangular piece as well. I'll have to go back on. Again, I don't know if I'll do that now or after the inner wing goes on. I don't know which would make most sense, really. I'll have to have a bit of a think about that. So, yeah, I mean, obviously I can line it up exactly where it was by using the holes. So, yeah, just have to see about that, really. Decide when I get to that point. And then by the time it comes to doing the inner wing at the other side, for a certain portion of it, we're going to have to take the car off the jig, unfortunately. Because, as I've mentioned already, it's this side of the bulkhead cross member, basically all the way up to where the brake master cylinder bolts on. It's just rotten. There's a hole right there. Look, it's just rotten all the way along there. So yeah, obviously that'll have to come off the jig to repair that. Probably end up just putting a whole new piece of the bulkhead in, like the cross membrane, which is a pain, but you know, it's got to be done. So we'll maybe have to borrow my neighbour's engine hoist again, because yeah, that's how we rebalanced it on the jig last time. Just lifted it one end up with the hoist, put the tyres under it, and yeah, so we'll just have to do that. So yeah, anyway, clean up and do that bottom dash show. Sorry, I'm rambling on a bit, aren't I? Sorry about that. Okay then guys, I think I'm done for today. So yeah, I've just welded that back on. As you probably saw, the thingy-majiggly that holds that you thread the bolts into for the shock mount. So yeah, that's back on, nice and solid. Can't even tell. What else have we done today? I still feel like I've done crap all today, like every other day this week. We finished making up that piece to go in there, but I'm not putting it in just yet, as I already said. And I've had a real good clean up at this end of the bulkhead. Certainly not finished, but yeah, I've had a good clean up of some of the rust spots and got a lot of that seam sealer away. So there's still bits to finish. That's why I've not primed it or anything yet. So yeah, it's food time now, methinks. So I'm gonna go home and have my tea. Maybe come back tomorrow. And maybe, just maybe, have a visitor tomorrow as well. So we'll have to see. But yeah, I think I'm done for today. But hey, progress is progress, even if I haven't done much. So yeah, it's a step in the right direction anyway. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. And as per usual, like the video, subscribe, etc. And yeah, catch you in the next one. Bye for now.